Today we're going to be breaking down all of the top new beauty launches. We're going to swatch everything. I'm going to show you everything. We're going to do a deep dive and see, are these products worth the hype? The first package that we have here is Makeup by Mario. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, you can see her nostrils. This is actually a really cool PR package. I feel like Makeup by Mario don't miss. I feel like every single one of his products that he brings out, you can just see like the makeup artist touch. This is the new Super Shine lip glosses. Glass-like shine, lasting comfort. These shades are stunning. Okay, there's so many shades to try, but I think I'm gonna go for Perfect Pink. I am a sucker for the Perfect Pink lip gloss. I still feel like I haven't found the right one yet. Ooh, the applicator of this. She round, she thick, she's circular. Okay, it has a very light vanilla smell. It's not sticky, which is nice. It's a nice lip gloss. Do you know what? I feel like with lip glosses, these are the products you can probably just skip and just pick up one from the drugstore. I feel like a lot of lip glosses, they kind of do the same thing, you know? I don't know if you're gonna need to spend like $26 on a whole ass lip gloss, but if you are a fan of Makeup by Mario, these are nice. Would I say this is the perfect pink? I would have liked there to be a little bit more pigment, if I'm honest. It's not as pigmented, it's more of like a gloss rather than like a pigmented gloss. Oh, but something that I also like is that the doe foot has like a little hole here. So when you pick product up, it gets stored in that little well so that when you're applying it, you feel like there's extra products. You don't have to go back and forth as much. It's nice. Would I rush out to Sephora to buy it? Probably not. Okay, next we have the new Cosmic Perfume from Kylie Cosmetics. It's a box within a box. Very anticlimactic. Dun 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 dun. Oh, Miss Kylie. She kind of looks like an alien in that visual. I love it. You know what? These are the PR packages that I like. Simple, clean. You just get the product in there. It's like bam. I'm not gonna lie though, I wasn't the biggest fan of her original one. The bottle, she cute. But let's see what I think about this 2.0 version. Smells like money. Smells like inheritance. I'm joking, guys. That was very cheeky of me. No, it actually smells better than her original. It definitely smells quite fruity. On the notes, it has pear, pink pepper, vanilla orchid, and amber and sandalwood. I definitely prefer this scent than her original scent. So if you like more like sweet, slightly fruity scents, I think you would like this one. I feel like I'm on a TV show right now because I have a whole table in the middle of the room. I feel like I'm presenting to you guys, like taking it back to 2016 with all the beauty challenges, you know? Oh, we have my favorite human being, Huda Beauty. Oh, I'm dropping everything. Okay, we need to take a moment to talk about the Huda Beauty rebranding. What do we think? I actually really like the new Huda Beauty logo. I know this was very controversial when it first came out. The only things I'm unsure about the secondary logo. Like, she's got two logos kind of going on. I like the one that actually says Huda Beauty, but the Huda, what does that even say, girl? And trust me when I say branding, she's expensive, okay? You go to a graphic designer, they charge you like £10,000 just to make a logo. Jesus. Oh wow, it's an actual Huda Beauty makeup bag. Is this detachable? Why is it just falling out here? Oh my god, we have the new setting spray. Oh my god, it also comes in a little baby mini version as well. Okay, I'm excited here. So this is meant to be the new Easy Bake setting spray. This packaging though, it looks very cool. It looks very sleek. I like the idea this is a twist cap so that you can actually lock it when you're traveling. Okay, let's test the mist. Girl, where are thou?
Where are you, bitch?
Okay. The first few now might get your ass, so make sure you spray not on your face directly first. Now she's calling my name a little bit more. Doesn't have a scent. I was very nervous, you know, anything with Easy Bake, you're like, oh, imagine this as a spray form. No, thank you. I don't know if she's mattified me. I don't know if this is meant to be a mattifying spray, but it does say it's alcohol-free, fragrance-free, rice starch, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. I was meant to shake it. I don't think I shaked it. Let me do it again. Do you know what? I actually love anything that Huda Beauty does. I feel like she really knows her makeup products. She's a full glam queen. I kind of trust anything that she brings out, to be honest. I'm a Huda Beauty stan. What can I say? Oh, it's just as cute. It really is just as cute. It's also got that lockable mechanism. Yes, Huda. I kind of love it. Okay, one of my favorite skincare brand, Anua, is now launching at Boots. Boots is having like a new surge of life right now. They are now launching so many K-beauty brands. It actually makes me so happy because only like last year I discovered the world of K-beauty and it was so hard to get your hands on. But because people are now clocking on to how amazing K-beauty is, it's getting a lot more easy to get your hands on. I have been dying to try this rice ceramide line from Anua. I feel like they've also done like a little rebranding as well. The packaging looks so much fancier. Okay, Anua. I'm here for the new K-beauty skincare. Give me it all, please. Yes, I will never get bored and tired of you. So many new products, goddamn. Whenever I do huge PR unboxings like this, that means you guys also win some free products too. So make sure you stay until the end because I'm doing a huge giveaway. Okay, next we got some goodies from Kosas. Oh, there's a whole pillow in it and everything. Rolo would love this. So this is the new DreamBeam SPFs. The packaging is so cute. Do you know the thing about Kosas is that they have some hidden gems. Powders are amazing. The concealer is amazing. I don't think I've tried this product yet, but this is their DreamBeam SPF. Oh, this packaging is so stinking cute. This says makeup prep meets SPF skincare. So does she give coverage? This definitely has like a slight tint to it. It kind of gives your skin like a very radiant kind of glow. This is £36 and it's launching at Space NK, Sephora, Cult Beauty, wherever you can find Kosas. My first reaction with this is that it's very moisturizing. If you got dry skin, that's a good thing for you. But as someone with oily skin, I'm like, I get a little bit scared when there's an SPF that's very moisturizing because normally that means she's gonna make my makeup slide. Okay, there's a big daddy over here. Come to mama. Oh my god. I don't even think she's gonna fit on the screen. I'm scared, but I'm excited. It feels like Christmas. Gran? To all my haters watching out there, that was for you. This package is just too big. That's what she said. I don't even want to know how expensive this PR package was to ship. It's so big, like I can't even fit it all on the screen right now. Maybe if I lay it sideways like this, like it's a big package, okay? And do you guys want to see what's inside? You're gonna freaking die. Ooh. VT Reedle shop, bitches. Wow, not just one, not just two, but the full shebang. This is the VT Reader Shot, which went viral over in Korea. It's like micro needling in a bottle. This slightly exfoliates your skin so that whatever product you put on top is able to penetrate a lot deeper into the skin. And they just launched a new one, which is this red one right here. Okay, these 3 flavors really stood out to me. Flavors? Can I call them flavors? They basically are the newest addition to the Reader Shop family. So this is Black Truffle. Black Truffle? Okay, I like me some truffle. She's bougie or whatever. And then they also brought out a Snail Reedle shot. This is calling my name because I love Snail Mucin. If you don't know, Snail Mucin is amazing for dehydration. If you have like dryness, redness. Now they've added Snail Reedles, so your skin's gonna be right and tight. And then this one I'm so excited about. I'm definitely gonna be doing a video on this. This is the Red Booster Reedle shot. I saw this online. This has like a red pigment to it, so it just looks really interesting. I'm gonna be trying these out. Make sure you follow me on my other socials to watch all my short forms. It's gonna be on my YouTube shorts. I'm so excited for these guys. Can one girl have too much skincare? I don't think there's such a thing. Okay, whatever is in this box is scaring me right now. There's all these like twigs and leaf that's coming out of here and it kind of has a funky smell. Oh, it stinks. What is that smell? It smells like moss. Okay, it's Khloé Kardashian's Perfume line. Girl, what's up with all this? Who thought this was a good idea? Sending flowers or anything that might decay in PR packages, not a good idea, guys. Not a good idea at all. I feel like a lot of influencers, they don't open their PR like the same day they get it. You know, it ends up being stored here for the next 3 weeks until we get around to doing it. So sending things like this that could go moldy real quick is not a good idea. Battle of the Kardashian sisters. Whose perfume is better? Do you know what? Khloé, I have a soft spot for Khloé because she's my favourite Kardashian. I feel like she's the most fun. She's been through some hard times, you know? First impressions, she's looking very cheap. This looks like you can get her at Poundland. She's not giving luxury at all. That's the only thing I find sometimes with like celebrity products. Sometimes they just slap their name on anything, you know? This smells like Grandma 2.0. I cannot believe that Khloé would smell like this. She's too fun to smell like an old grandma with a broken hip. Guys, I cannot believe that Khloé Kardashian created that product. Like,
That's crazy.
Like, even this box. What is this box? It looks like you can get her at Savers for $9.99. Khloé, you've got way too much money to be slap dashing your name on this and then calling it your fragrance. Especially when you're competing against like the Kylie Jenners and the Kim Kardashians of the world, okay? We need to step up our pussy game, Khloé, okay? I might be really mean in this video, guys. I'm just calling it how it is, you know? Have some standards. My dream has always been to like launch something myself, and I feel like anything that I put my name on, it has to have a certain standard, you know? You can't just be putting your name on any old hoo-ha. Oh, this is my YesStyle order. I actually ordered these products from YesStyle. Oh, my Philly Millie sponges. I've got some eyelash glue. I've got my Judy Doll eyeliners, which are my favourite eyeliners. I've been eyeing up this eyeshadow palette from this brand called Peri Pera. Yeah, I'm sure you guys are not interested in the products that I ordered, okay? I just got some basic stuff like eyelash glue. Refilling and replenishing the stash. This product caught my eye as soon as I saw the box. How am I so lucky in life that I just get sent Danessa Myricks to my door? Honestly, like, you know the makeup artists? They know what they're doing when they're formulating products. This is the new Yummy Skin Glow Serum. And now they've come out in different shades. So there's like a darker one. There's a medium shade one. I've actually used this before. It's lovely. And then now for my paler sisters out there, there's like a light pinky one. Let's try the pink Yummy Skin Serum. It's kind of like a hydrating skin booster. Gives instant radiance to your skin. I think this would be nice for all the paler sisters out there, you know, in case that this one might be a little bit too golden for you. Then this one is almost like a clear with a slight sheen. If you have large pores, you want to kind of mattify your skin, the Universal Yummy Blurring Balms, so nice. It's basically kind of like a balm kind of texture like this, and it really does like smooth out your pores. But now she's just launched a new radiant version. It kind of looks the same, but it has like a slight glow to it. I'm gonna have to try this in a video because I love the fact that the original one is so mattifying, so I can't imagine it too mattifying but then give a radiant glow. We're gonna test this all out. Okay, now we're talking. Sephora? This package looks promising, guys. She's heavy as well.
God damn.
Wow. This is a tote that I'd actually reuse, you know. Sometimes brands be sending totes. I'm like,
girl, who's ever gonna wear this?
but this is actually nice. Oh, wow. Wow, this bag is just filled with skincare and makeup. I might have to give this away. This is just too much for one person. Okay, so this is the What's New at Sephora Spring 2025 edition. Okay, let's see what's new at Sephora. We've got some Rem Beauty products. This is the Dream Glow Highlight Serum Honey Pot. What do you guys think about Rem Beauty? Are you fans? Do you like her products? This is like a primer. It kind of looks like the Glinda primer from the Rem Beauty line. Maybe that was limited edition. So now she had to bring it back in like the original line. This is an Indie Wild Hair Oil. Never heard of that brand before. I do feel like with Sephora, they have some really cool, unique brands. Like anything that's up and coming, they're kind of on it with the pulse with that. This looks like a deodorant, but it's not. It's a jelly ice cooling water gel. Oh, it's cold. Okay, this is weird. This is very cool. I'm gonna try this in a proper video. It's kind of like their blushes that went viral. Okay, we've got some Sol de Janeiro in here. We've got some Gisou in here. We've got some Badescu in here. Makeup by Mario. What is this? The soft setting spray. Okay, let's try this. Will this beat the Huda Beauty setting spray? You know what? The thing about setting sprays is that they all kind of do the same thing. So I feel like once you got one setting spray, you don't need them all, you know? We've got some Vieve in here. We've got One Size in here. Do you know what, guys? I think I might do a huge giveaway to win all of these products. Now, the only thing, I want to keep this bag. So only enter if you actually want the products on the inside, because I'm going to be selfish and I'll keep the tote. But the products inside you can have, because I feel like I already have too much makeup and too much skincare. So if you want to enter to win all of these goodies inside, all you need to do is just make sure you're subscribed. It's $3.99, girl. Tell a friend while you're at it. And then click the link down below in my description box and subscribe to my newsletter. The details will be down below, girl, if you want to get yourself some free makeup and skincare for Sephora. I'm probably going to throw in a few extras in there as well, you know, fill that box up. Wow. We're not even halfway through yet, girl. Oh, this is so cute. This is the Toy Story collection from ColourPop. Okay, I need to know, what's your opinion about ColourPop, okay? Are you still riding and dying for ColourPop? I do love it when they bring out these cute collections down. Like, this is their gel eyeshadow trios. How adorable. Oh, these are the ultra glossy lip glosses. This is the little pink Bo Peep one. That's probably one I'll be keeping. There's a cute purple Buzz Lightyear one. There's an orange Jessie one. And then a Woody one. Oh, these are like the products that's like collectibles, you know? Like, I don't think you would actually ever use them. Little pen, there's a little mascara. And then look, they have the little alien, the chosen one, little lip mask. The ColourPop eyeshadow palettes, they do slap, you know, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think people are using eyeshadow like that these days, but if you like Toy Story, I think you would like this.
Girl, I'll keep wearing these colours on the ad in 2025. Okay, no.
If you're collectible, you might like this collection. Morphe?
Oh, she is still around. I thought she went bankrupt.
This is a big PR package though. They might be making a comeback. Stunning. I love it. Wow. Oh, concealers. Okay, Morphe must not be doing that bad then, because if they're launching concealers. Oh, these are powders. Oh, I feel like Morphe's having a little bit of a rebrand, you know. This is the new Glow Veil Cloud Light Powder. Oh, it's very smooth. Oh, I think I might like these. Yes, I am an oily queen. Okay, so whenever I can find a powder that'll kind of smooth out my skin but not make me look cakey, like, I'm here for it. Let's look at the concealers. Go, where are the other shades? It says it's available in 20 shades, but they only sent me the darker shades. I think they have my name mixed up on the PR package list, but yeah, maybe I can use these for like contouring or something like that. If you're deeper skin tone and you would like to try these Morphe concealers, comment down below and sign up for my newsletter and let me know, and then I can send you out these concealers, because they're such a waste that I can't use all of these shades. But the doe foot on this is nice and thick. She's pigmented, all right, okay. Girl, I don't even know if I can use this for contour. It's so pigmented. Okay, my camera is about to die. I've only got 2% left on my camera. I made sure to open all the big PR packages on this haul, okay? This is the last package I'm going to show you, but it's from Kayali. What an amazing one to end on, because I love perfumes. I feel like I have over 200 perfumes. Mona? Have you guys been watching Dubai Bling? You know how Mona just looks like the sweetest person? She's actually like that in real life. I've never met someone so sweet and so kind before. So this is their new fragrance. Oh, there's more in the bag. I think this is my favorite colorway that she's done out of all of her perfume bottles. Okay, this is in the scent Fleur Majesty. Oh my god, the bottle is so beautiful. It really looks like royalty. I am a huge fan of Kayali. I literally have all of the fragrances, so I hope I'm not disappointed. Oh, it's very fresh. If you like the scent of pear, you would love this. Okay, what's the notes? Okay, the notes are juicy pear, sweet peach, rose royale, pink peony, violet wood, and purple musk. Yes. It smells like rich. It smells like Your Majesty. I don't know because the name went into my head, but I can really smell like the royalness and like the majestiness of it all. If you like fruity kind of pear scents, I think you would really like this one. Definitely in the fruity family. Let me know down below if there's any products that you've seen in this haul that you guys want me to do a deep dive on, that you guys want me to do a first impressions, to try in a future video. Comment down below and subscribe to my newsletter if you want to win all of these Sephora goodies. If you guys like my makeup in this video, I done a full face testing e.l.f. makeup. I showed you guys all of the dupes. I showed you guys what product is worth it, what products I will skip. So go check out that video if you haven't seen it already. Make sure you subscribe. It's $3.99. And that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. This is the absolute chaos and madness in my room right now. Yay! Love this for me. Well, I love this for Gran because he's gonna have to clean this all up. Yay! To having a boyfriend that is at your beck and call. You let me know down below in the comments. Is there such a thing as too big of a package?